going?
Too busy.
Busy, yeah. It sounds like it. So
Yeah,
there's a traffic jam. Oh, that's not good.
yeah. So,
um,
uh, we're going to learn this, right?
yeah, I'm just pulling that
Okay.
up.
Okay.
How was your day?
It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
Uh, yeah.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get that PDF. It's like in my
Uh-huh.
it's like in my mountain of emails.
Wow. Wow.
I was
Maybe I can send it back to you, but it's on WeChat. It's you can't open it.
yeah. Um I should have it somewhere. One second. Where the heck is it?
If I send it back to you, can you? Um,
Oh, wait. Do I have it?
yeah, but it's on WeChat.
I got it.
Yeah, so can you open it and also we can talk through video?
Yep, I got it. It's okay.
Okay.
Because I'm on my laptop, so it works.
Okay. That's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where the heck it went.
Okay.
Mm. Oh, it's called West Food. Oh, no, I did. Oh, I found it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sorry about that.
That's okay.
Okay, so we're going to be talking about food. And
Mm-hmm.
the lesson's basically on the West Coast food. So, do you know what it means when we talk about the West Coast?
I don't know exactly what states they are.
So it's like California, Washington,
Uh-huh.
and Oregon. So it's like California is the southern part. Then on top of that we have Oregon here, and then we have
Uh-huh.
Washington on top, and then up here is like,
Okay.
and then up there is like Canada,
Oh, yeah, I got it.
and then below California there's Mexico. So a lot of the lesson we'll be talking about Mexico because California is so close that there's a lot of influence there.
So influence on the food?
Yep, you'll see.
Oh.
So for the warm up, the first page, so we're gonna start talking about salads. So
Yeah.
salads are very common in the West Coast. So
Mhm.
do you like salad?
Um, I don't know how to say maybe, but we don't usually eat it.
Yeah. I feel like some other people have told me that before. That in China you
Hmm.
guys don't eat salads too much.
Yeah,
Um, when you do eat salads, what do you like to put in it?
I'd like to put fruit in it.
Oh yeah, that's called something. We have a salad with all fruit in it. It's called a fruit salad.
Yeah, but I saw the words. Maybe Today we're going to talk about a vegetable salad, right?
Yeah, I like salads. They're healthy, you know.
Yeah.
Um, so like some of the helpful words will be lettuce, chicken,
Mm-hmm.
eggs, fish, dressing, and tomatoes. So do you know?
So,
Go ahead.
dressing means what?
Yes. So dressing is like the sauce that you put on the salads.
Ah, I got it.
Yeah.
I'm
So
sorry. So we, sorry.
go ahead. That's okay.
So we can have different kinds of source, right?
Sauce, yeah.
They're all dressings.
Yep, different kinds of dressings, yeah.
Ah, okay,
Um,
okay, please.
so we have like a Caesar dressing, we have a ranch dressing. There's like specific names for it.
So
That
what does Caesar dressing like?
so Caesar dressing,
Look like?
Caesar dressing is it's like a name of a recipe. So each dressing has its own recipe. So Caesar
Uh-huh.
salad is like white, it's creamy, it's a little bitter. Um, whereas ranch is also white, but it's a
Ah,
little like it's a little I would say maybe creamier and sweeter than Caesar.
okay.
It's pretty hard to describe the taste of these because they're so unique. Um, we
So
also
maybe it's sweet, or maybe it's sometimes salty, and combine different kind of flavors in it.
yeah.
Okay.
We also have a Thousand Island dressing. Um, there's dressing, Italian dressing.
Wow.
So it's like all
A
these
lot.
different types, yeah. Um,
Yes.
but in the picture, if you see like you see the picture next to the
Yes.
so
Yeah.
we have the chicken right on the
Yes.
left side, then it's egg,
Yes.
and then
Huh?
do you know what that is in the middle?
Is that beef?
It's actually bacon.
Bacon. Oh, bacon.
Yeah.
I know it.
And then do you know what that is next to it? The green?
Uh, I know how to say it in Chinese. Maybe is it a kind of vegetable?
It's technically a fruit, but I see what you're saying.
I know. I don't know how to say that.
Avocado in English.
Avocado.
Yeah,
Avocado.
avocado.
How do you spell it?
It's
Mm-hmm.
AVOC.
Hmm? Then
ADO.
A D. Yeah, I will look it up in the dictionary, and I see if it is the thing I thought.
And then what you see what's next to it? Do you know what that is?
Tomatoes.
Yep. And then next to that, these are avocados.
Ah, yeah. So yeah, it's the thing in my mind.
Yeah,
Avocado, right?
yeah. Do you guys have those in
Okay.
China?
Yes, but we don't grow them. We just maybe import them.
Oh, right. And then the
Mm.
last thing is is the cheese. So that's like over here in this case it might be feta cheese. Feta is like
Oh,
feta is like a Greek cheese.
Greek cheese. Yeah.
Greek coming
Okay.
from the country of Greece.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's go on to the reading.
Uh-huh.
Would you like to read?
Read it aloud.
Yep. The next page is the reading.
Okay. So I need to read aloud.
Yep.
Um, fresh, local, and healthy foods characterize the cuis. I don't know how to read this word.
It's cuisine.
Cuisine. Oh, so it's not an English word, right?
It's French.
I
Yeah.
think yeah. I think the pronunciation is not so common.
Yeah. It's not
In
normal.
Okay, the cuisine in the West California, famous for its fusion cuisine with Japanese culture, like the California roll. Invented many dishes like the salad Cobb, is it
Yep.
right? Shrimp and crab. Oh, not an English word. It's hard to read.
It's crab Louis.
Crab Louis. Okay, crab Louis. And I don't know, seal pinot?
So this is an Italian word. So
Italian word.
it's chopino.
Chopino. So we read CIS. Chopino.
Only because it's a borrowed word, meaning that it doesn't have the normal English pronunciation.
Oh, okay. Chopino, created in San Francisco, is a seafood medley stew mixture of Dungeness crab,
Yeah, Dungeness.
Clam?
Yep.
Clams, shrimp, scallops, squid or squid?
Squid.
Squid,
Okay.
mussels,
Yep.
and various white fish stewed in a red wine broth.
Yeah, good job. Did you ask what squid
Too-
was?
Um, too many, too many new words. I don't exactly know what it means.
What, squid?
Yeah, squid, and the word before squid and the word after squid. Scallops.
Okay, yeah, I'll show you pictures. So squid is this animal. Like, have you ever had calamari?
What?
Do you know what calamari is?
Calamari?
Calamari.
No.
So it looks like this, fried calamari. So it's fish. It's very chewy.
It looks like octopus.
Yes, it's very similar. So a squid is like a small octopus.
Oh, okay.
Not exactly the
Squid?
same animal, but very similar.
Oh, maybe octopus is bigger. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
What about mussels? Mussels?
So I'll show you scallops because I have it up. These are scallops.
Oh, I don't know what it is. We don't have this in China, maybe. It's not the original appearance of this food, right?
Oh, like you want to? It's a fish.
So it has shells. It has shells.
I think so. It has a picture of that, but I'm not sure if that's actually the shell.
Yeah, I know this in Chinese. Yeah, I know this.
It says. I'm gonna try to get it for you.
Okay, thank you.
Do you read simplified Chinese or traditional?
Oh, simplified.
Simplified. Shanbei.
Shanbei, yeah. Shanbei, yes. You can nice Chinese.
Thank you. So that's scallops.
Oh, scallops.
Squid is this. Squid is wuzie.
Oh, wuzei.
Wuzei.
Oh, okay. Wuzei.
What else? Oh, mussels, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's this one.
青口贝. Wow. So it's more specific, maybe specific shells. I don't know how to say. A lot of there are a lot of kinds of seafood in the sea, so really it's hard for me to remember them.
Oh yeah, there's so many
Yeah.
mussels. Yep. So mussels looks like that. Have you seen that before?
Oh yeah, yeah. I saw it in Hainan. Do you know Hainan? Hainan province is in the southern part of China, and it's a lot of sea around it. It's a sea city.
Oh, okay. And then,
Yeah.
so what else do you not know? Do you know what crab is?
Crab. Yeah, I know. They
Um,
walk. They walk like this,
yep,
not like this.
yep.
Yeah.
What else? So what about let's go over the vocab words. So
Mhm.
the first one is characterize. So,
Yeah.
do you understand that word? That verb?
To be a normal quality or something. Yeah, I think I know it in Chinese.
So, if I say something characterizes something, I would say, I'm just saying generally speaking. So like, I would be like, a California roll is characterized by having avocado and crab.
Ah,
So it's like saying, oh, it's typical to have this.
okay. Okay. I think I got it.
So, for example, black and white stripes characterize a zebra. A zebra is
Hmm.
typically black and white. You want to try one?
Hmm.
You want to try to make a
Hmm.
sentence?
Make a sentence?
Yep.
It's so hard.
It's a little, yeah. So let's think about a food. So, avocado. What is avocado characterized as?
Avocado characterized. Ca- Avocado is characterized um,
As,
as a typical food, a typical Mexican food.
yeah, a Mexican fruit, maybe, yeah.
Ah, okay.
And
Ah,
an
it's so
avocado
hard.
is characterized as green, um, not like maybe the size of your palm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Um,
So is it? Does it mean? Does this word mean looks like something? Looks like blah blah blah.
uh, it could mean it could mean yeah, it could mean what something looks like, but I could also talk about personality too. I
Oh,
I could
yeah.
say Jessica is characterized as a very energetic person.
Oh, okay. So we can use it to talk about the appearance and the personality
Yep,
of a person or something else, right?
yep,
Oh, okay. Fusion, a
yep.
combination of mixture different things. So it's just like, so I think fusion and medley they have the same meaning, right?
Yeah, pretty much. They're very similar.
Mm.
So for fusion, it's a combination or a mixture of different things. So,
Mhm.
a California roll is a fusion of both American cuisine and Japanese cuisine. Oh,
So it's a combination.
oh yeah, but do you know what cuisine means?
Um, I think it's a cuisine. Uh, uh, I don't know how to say.
Cuisine is it it it, it means like um all the food from a certain place. So,
Uh-huh.
um, I might say American food is characterized
Yeah.
as burgers, hot dogs, um,
Uh-huh.
like all the things typical to American cuisine, American cooking.
Yeah.
Whereas a Mexican cuisine is characterized as lots of avocado, lots of tacos, and lots of meat. So, do you understand what cuisine means now?
Mm, I think I know. It just means cooking.
Yeah, basically, um, like the typical cooking. Yeah, let me try to get a definition.
Typical cooking.
So it says a certain cooking style or quality of cooking from a certain region or country.
Okay, I think
So you tell me, what is Chinese cuisine?
um let
What?
me think. Chinese cooking. Uh, I think we have different kinds of ways to cook things. So usually we don't eat cold food. We usually um I don't know how to say.
A lot of more hot food.
Maybe we got many ways to do them. For example, we can boil them, or
Yeah.
we can steam them, steam the food,
Okay.
or sometimes we fry a lot of food.
Yeah,
Fry,
nice.
uh, and usually we eat rice. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah, good job. So that's cuisine. It's just talking about the region of food. Okay, let's go on to the next reading.
Okay. Um, let me see. Crab Louis.
Yep.
Crab Louis is a salad made with crab meat along with hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, asparagus. Is it right?
So the emphasis is on asparagus. So it's the second syllable.
Okay. Asparagus.
Yep.
Asparagus. Uh, cucumber. Cucumber or cucumber?
Cucumber, yeah.
Cucumber. Okay. Cucumber and romaine. Romaine
Yep.
or romaine. Romaine.
Romaine, yep.
Romaine or iceberg lettuce. Invented in Hollywood, Cobb salad is a dinner salad made from iceberg lettuce and other salad greens like romaine, tomatoes, bacon, roasted chicken, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, chives or chives,
Chives, yep.
and a new word, ro roquefort.
Roquefort, yeah.
Roquefort cheese, or chopped and toasted together with French dressing, a mixture of red wine vinegar, lemon, mustard, oil, and too long. was Worcestershire.
Yeah. Oh,
Too hard.
that was close. It's Worcestershire.
Worcester.
So I'll
Source.
so I'll say it. I'll break it up. It's war,
Okay.
War.
Wor.
St.
Se.
It's S-T and then So it's st. War. St.
Worcester.
Sure.
Sure. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Yep.
Worcestershire. Okay. So where was the Cobb salad invented?
Do you know?
It was. Let me find the answer. Where was it invented? It doesn't mention, I think. Let me see. Cobb salad is it? There's no
Nope.
no word like
It's right in the
country or a city.
No, it's right in the beginning.
Huh? Right in the beginning. No.
The third line.
Oh, I saw it. As it was invented in Hollywood.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, so what are the new vocabulary words you need to know here?
The last one, Worcestershire sauce. It's a kind of sauce, right?
Yeah, it's a kind of sauce. I'll show you a picture.
So are they on the picture next to it? Like these things? Worcestershire?
No, that's not Worcestershire sauce, actually.
Okay.
I don't think it is, actually. It's... There's not really a good image of it. Oh, this is kind of what it looks like. It's like very dark. You probably don't have... You probably don't...
maybe we don't have it, but it looks like vinegar, or it looks like a soybean sauce.
Almost, yeah. Any other words?
I want to know how to say this green one. Are they asparagus?
Oh yeah, that's asparagus. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So no more words. We can continue.
Yeah, so that's actually a crab louis. That's what it that's what they're showing you in the picture.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. Crab louis.
It's just a certain dish, but okay, let's move on.
It's just the name, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, on to the next reading.
California has also taken from Mexican cuisine to create the California Mexican food fusion. California burrito.
Yep.
Burrito and fish taco. The burrito are large flour tortillas filled with rice.
So it's actually tortilla because it's a Mexican word.
Oh, tortilla?
Yeah, the double L is like a Y sound.
Like a Y?
It's like tortilla. Yeah.
Tortilla.
Yep.
So S is silent.
Oh, you could add the S. So the burritos are large flour tortillas with an S.
Okay. The burritos are large flour tortillas filled with rice, several options of meat, beans, salsa. Oh, what is salsa? Is it a kind of sauce?
It's like a Mexican kind of dish. I'll show you. But go ahead.
Okay. Cheese and guac. Oh, what's this? Guacamole.
So it's guacamole.
Okay, not an English word. Guacamole.
Yeah.
Wrapped with a precise technique in foil and enjoyed. And if you are a fan of seafood, the Pacific Northwest region is for you. Its cuisine comes from the region's natural resources like Pacific salmon, king crab, halibut,
Halibut. Yep.
halibut, and herring.
Yep.
So
Which-
what is tortillas? Tortillas.
I'll show you. So, so you see in the picture?
Yeah, I can see the picture next to it.
Okay, so the white is the tortilla.
So the tortilla just to wrap all the things in it.
Yep, and it's made out of flour.
Yeah, I know.
And then you see where the tomato is in there?
Yeah, on the top of the fillings.
Yeah, so it's a recipe. It's chopped up tomatoes and they put some spices in it, and it's called salsa.
I think I saw some rice.
Yep,
Is
there's
it
rice.
rice?
There's rice on the bottom.
Okay.
And then guacamole looks like this. It's like it's what you make from avocados.
Oh, yeah.
And then any other words?
The last one, halibut and herring.
Those are types of fish, so I'll show you.
The two words are two kinds of fish, right?
Yep, they're two kinds of fish. This is halibut.
大比目鱼. Okay, thank you.
And then I'll get herring for you. Feiyu.
飞鱼. Okay, thank you. It's. I have a question. So, does the children, do they know these words? I think they are difficult.
Children don't know these words, no.
Yeah. I think they're difficult because
Yeah,
maybe we know it's fish, but what kind of fish?
yeah, with the fish, with children, we'll just be like, oh, it's fish.
Yeah.
If they want to know, we'll tell them, but... Okay, so the new vocabulary. So do you know what precise means?
Yeah.
So if I have a number that's like 1.07676, it's a very precise number. Very accurate.
Yes. So if I say, so that's maybe from 1 to 10, can we call this precise?
Yeah, so if you want, you could be like, I want 3 pieces of rice. That's very, like 3 little strands of rice.
Okay.
So that's very precise.
Oh, yeah. And fan, the person who likes... Yeah, the fan, also, I know fan.
Yeah.
Natural resources. Okay. Fan and natural resources, I know these two.
Oh, good. Okay. Let's go on to the next one.
Comprehension. Use the words in the hints to fill in the gaps and read the passage.
Yeah, so I don't think we actually have enough time for comprehension.
Yeah. Yes. So if we can't finish this one, will we continue this one or have a new one?
I think we should just go down to the discussion because that's where you'll probably get the most out of.
I can't catch you. Could you please?
So instead of doing the comprehension, I think we should probably just go right to the discussion because you'll learn the most from the discussion rather than comprehension. Do you understand?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. Discussion. hint, use words and phrases to express your opinion.
So for the first one, we have: is it important to have different kinds of foods and why?
Yeah, yes. It's so important because we need to have different kinds of nutrition,
Yep.
and we can't or eat vegetables or fruit, although they are healthy food. We sometimes need some food like different kinds of meat. Maybe they will provide us with some um, other nutrition and um, other uh, things we need. Okay.
Yeah, I definitely agree. I think it's very important to have different kinds of foods.
Yeah.
Variety is always good for your diet, you know. They
Yeah.
say you should have all types of vegetables, not just one. Um,
Good.
so let's talk about two. What is food? Oh, you actually talked about this earlier. What is food
Yes.
like? What is food like in your country?
Yeah. Well, there's so many kinds of. Maybe I can talk about the food in my city. In my city, the food is almost spicy, but it is delicious, and I think sometimes we also have some sour food like and sour soup fish. So just put fish in a kind of sour soup. The sour soup is made of tomatoes. You know, we
Oh,
just
okay.
smash some very small tomatoes,
Yeah,
and yeah, and they're sour, and you put the fish or some beef in it, and they taste really good.
yeah, it sounds it.
Mhm.
The food in America is very so if you're in New York City, it's very international. Um,
Yeah.
Meaning that there's a lot of different countries there. Um, because we have so many immigrants. So we have
Yeah.
Chinese food, we have Japanese food, we have American food, we have Italian food, French food, German food. So we have a
Yeah.
lot of international food. Um, so because of that, there's not really such thing as American food. American food, there's not really what's what's American food, what's French food. You know,
Uh, yeah.
it's kind
So
of
it's
difficult.
not so typical, right? Not so typical.
It's like when you want to go out to eat in America,
Hmm.
you say, "Oh, do you want Mexican food? Do you want Chinese food? Do you want French food?" It's not really like,
American food.
yeah, because American food is very like, what is it?
But in our mind, I think American food is just like the fast food, like hamburgers,
Yeah.
fried chips, potato chips, and something just like that.
See, but there's always the argument that hamburgers are German, French fries,
Oh,
French fries are technically
oh yeah,
Belgian.
French fries. Yeah, French.
So they're actually not French. I don't know why they're called French fries.
Yes.
But I think they're Belgian. Um,
Uh-huh.
but like every food has its origin, so it's not they're not really American. But
Yeah,
so that's
but
how
you just
that is
eat
here.
like that.
Like in China, do you guys go, "Oh, let's go to an Italian restaurant. Let's go to a French restaurant."
Yeah, yes, we have, but not maybe in some big cities like Shanghai and Beijing. Maybe there are many kinds of. But in our city, we also have, but we don't have so many. Maybe we got an Italian restaurant. Maybe we got only one or two in our city, just like this. And most people maybe not most people like to eat this kind of food.
Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so for the third one, we have: how will food change the future?
I think they don't need people to. We almost have it now. Okay, they don't need people to grow them. to water them. We just need maybe robots or some tech machines just um, to take care of the things, the food.
They could replace
Uh,
farmers, yeah.
yes, and maybe they will not be cooked in so many ways. We just put them, wrapped them in a package, and
Yeah.
we got everything, every kind of thing in it. And I can take maybe a small box, and in this box I can have different kinds of food, maybe vegetables, fruit, and meat, and something like that, just in this small box. And if I get one, just like a cookie, yeah, then I am full, and it's quick and easy, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be cool. Um, Now for the fourth one, we have what kinds of
Yep.
foods do you like and what kind of foods do you dislike?
Mm, I like I like sweet food. Like I like I like bread, cookies, and cakes. But I know they're not good. They're not so good for our health. They will make me fat.
it it's good for your soul.
Yeah. If I can eat them, I think I am fulfilled.
Yeah.
What food do you dislike? Mm, sometimes I don't like the, you know, the I don't know if you eat the things in America, but in China we eat them, like the the inside organs of a chicken or
Oh,
beef, or I don't know how to say.
yeah, no. No, I know
Some
you're
some,
I know what you're
but you
talking
you
about.
don't eat them, right?
So they're in the supermarkets, but we don't really touch them. It's not common.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't like them. I don't like them.
Yeah. Um, yeah, I agree. I don't like those either. Um,
Uh
and
huh.
then the foods that I like, I I like sweets. I also like a lot of Mexican food, like tacos, guacamole. It's really good. There's a lot of it here. Uh, I'd imagine that you guys have like a lot of Mongolian food, maybe,
Mongolian food? I don't think so.
because isn't Mongolia near China?
Yeah, yeah, it's near China, but
Oh,
I
but it's
think
not common.
yeah, it's not common. We are not influenced by that by this country.
Right. Or do you have what's another country near you? Maybe Cambodia?
Cambodia? I don't know. I don't know what country is it.
I'll show you. Do you guys have Indian food? Maybe it's right near you.
No, I don't think so. I think in China we have already had different kinds of food, and in each city it has its original food.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have watched um, a TV, a documentary called A Bite of China. I don't know if you have ever heard it. A
Oh,
Bite of China.
I'll have to watch it. Sounds good. It sounds cool.
Yeah, yeah. So in different cities, we have our own food, original ones. So I think we are not influenced by the cities, the countries around our country,
Yeah.
the food. Uh, I don't think so.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So by the way, how's the weather in your country now?
Oh, it's really cold.
Cold?
Yeah. So
Yeah, it's also cold in our country,
so
in our city.
it's hard to say.
Yes.
So it's hard to say in general because So I'm in the north. So by me, it's cold. It's snowing. But you know where Disney World is in Florida? It's
Yeah.
it's like very hot there right now. So
Oh,
it's very
yeah, yeah, yeah.
different. Yeah, and like California is very hot right now. Like except for the north. The north of California is cold. But
Oh,
Alaska's very cold right now.
yes. Maybe we have the same temperature. Maybe it's just below zero, right?
So we use Fahrenheit, so it's a little hard to say. Let me see.
Oh, so we don't have the same.
Yeah,
Mm,
it's called the same system. So you guys use the metric system. We use the American system.
ah, yeah.
But
We use Celsius.
yeah. So weather in New York in Celsius. Yeah, it's 1 degree here.
1 degree.
1 degree
Yeah,
Celsius.
almost the same.
Yeah.
Okay. So, so do you get the teaching material for Saturday?
No, I didn't get it yet, but the minute I get it, I'll send it over.
Oh, okay, okay. Then will be good. So I
Yeah.
can print it out. I can see it clearly.
Yep, so that wraps up our lesson, though. So,
Yeah.
I hope you learned a lot.
Yes, maybe I need to read it again and again because still I can I need to read again to know what exactly it means sometimes.
Yeah, well,
Maybe.
it's a lot of different vocabulary, right?
Yes.
A lot of Spanish vocabulary.
Yes, French words, Italian words. Oh,
Yeah.
it's too hard to read.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I need to learn more.
Well, it was nice
So,
chatting with you.
yeah, me too.
So, I'll see you on
Saturday.
yes, I'll see you then.
Saturday at 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Beijing time.
Yep. So it's actually Friday night for me.
Oh, Friday night for you?
Yeah, Friday for me, Saturday for you.
So almost we have how many hours?
It's it's 13 hours.
13 hours. Hours. So
Yeah.
your country, between my country is all the same, 13 hours.
Oh, okay. So yeah.
Right?
So
Okay.
yeah, 13
So,
hours. Yep.
okay, okay. So see you on Saturday?
Yep, I'll see you then.
So I say see you Saturday or see you on Saturday?
You could say either or. See you Saturday. See you on Saturday.
Or both are okay?
Both are fine.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. So, bye.
See you then.
Okay, nice to talk to you.
Same.
Goodbye. Okay.